All right, what's up, everybody? Checking in with you guys today. So, today was a pretty brutal day in the market. So, pretty much everything was down. I don't want to say it was a brutal day. I actually like when stocks go down. If you're a younger investor, that's something you should like because that gives you more opportunity to buy in at better prices. So, for the older investors, it sucks for them. For the people that are in retirement, it does suck for them. So for the older people, it does suck to see your portfolio go down. So I do send my regards to you guys. So I just want to update what I did with the portfolio. So last video, I talked about how I wanted to trim my stake in both ABBV and UNM, and that is what I did. So I reduced ABBV to about 6.5 of my portfolio and UNM to 6.5. I think prior ABBV was about 12% and UNM was about 9%. So I trimmed those down. I also sold Alibaba. I only had 2 shares. I just wanted to get rid of it, quite frankly. I'm tired of watching it. I'm tired of trying to see like when it's going to pop back up. I'm down 50%. I only own 2 shares, so it's really not that big of a loss. It was only about maybe $300. Not that big of a loss, so I just want to get it out, peace of mind. And yeah, I took an L on that, but that's okay. That's what happens when you invest. Sometimes you take a loss. So overall, my portfolio is down 1.9% today. That is a $477 change. And I'm okay with that. I'm actually looking forward to what the upcoming months are going to look like in the stock market. I think there's going to be a lot of good opportunity. I have a lot of cash just sitting around both here in my account and also my bank account that I plan on deploying. So we're going to see what opportunities arise. And I think for young investors, you guys should be excited. If you're 20, 30, 40 years out from retirement, this is a great opportunity. These crashes are the best times to invest, especially if you have a lot of money and you're not going to touch that for maybe 10, 15, 20 years. Now's a great time. Some recommendations I think that are good values right now would be Google. Google is very well discounted, so I think that's a good value. I think Broadcom is a good value. T. Rowe Price is a good value. Lowe's is a good value. HPQ is a good value. AMD is a good value right now. And those are basically the stocks that I own, but other stocks I think that are good value would be Home Depot. I also think that UPS is good value too. So there's good opportunities out there, guys. Take advantage of this. Don't stress it. Just ride the wave. Don't panic sell. If you want to take some profits like what I did, I think that's okay. So I did that for 2 reasons. One, I do think ABBV is going to go down eventually, whether it's with the market or just on its own, because they're going to lose their Humira patent, and that's going to put a dink into their revenue stream. So I decided to sell at a good price point, and I took some profits on that, and I can now redeploy that capital. So this portfolio is still going to have a lot of changes being done to it over time. Like I said last video, it just really comes down to finding the right price points to either buy or sell at, or when I want to trim my positions to. So in terms of my biggest losses for the day, it was British Tobacco Company, Philip Morrison, so those 2 tobacco companies. And then financials are getting hit pretty hard too, guys. So financials are a good opportunity right now. Lincoln Financial is is undervalued right now. Prudential Financial is also undervalued. And as I mentioned earlier, T. Rowe Price as well. So if you're looking to add financials into your portfolio, I recommend any one of those 3, especially if you're a dividend investor. You're going to get a good start in yield with that as well. So that's the update for the portfolio, guys. If you have any questions, recommendations, or anything, drop a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.